So in this video, I'm going to go over what to expect with your Vive Easy Ride seat cushion. So first off, it's going to come out of the box just like this. There's no 48 hours for it to fully expand. It's going to come to you fully expanded so you can take it out of the box and start using it immediately, which is awesome. It's going to have on the bottom here, what I love too, it's going to have rubber. So if you're going to put it on a chair that's maybe, like wood or sitting on bleachers watching your grandkids, it's not going to slide around on you. It's going to stay in place. And the last thing I love about it is just how fast it comes back to get its shape. So you can sit down on it, you'll feel the comfort, but as soon as you get up, it's going to take its shape right back to how you had it, and it'll be good to go. So this thing is awesome. It also does have a washable cover too, so if you ever do want to wash it, there's going to be a zipper right here, super easy to use. Take it off, throw it in your washing machine, dry it, put it back on there, and you're good to go. So if you're just looking to have some more comfort when you sit, get up easier, this should give you that relief and solve that problem. So very, very awesome. 2 thumbs up.